So these are the earrings which we are going to create today. Namaste beautiful people, this is Saloni here. And if you're new to this channel, I want to welcome you and I want to tell you something that my channel is all about how to create easy DIYs at home and how to style yourself and look good with few clothes. So our today's video is going to be about how to create easy and cool party earrings at home that will save your money. So these are the earrings which we are going to create today, and this will save your money. You can create these earrings in less than 100 rupees. So yeah, let's get started.
So here's our table, and now I'm going to keep this sheet over my table because I don't want the MC should spoil my table. So always keep something at the base. And now we are going to use this white fabric M seal. So it has two different parts in this M seal. So one is the brownish and the other one is in white color. So you have to mix both of them very properly. And now like this, you have to just check if the brown one is still remaining anywhere. So you have to mix it very properly, then only the M seal will get solid, or else it will remain soft like a clay. Now M seal has been mixed properly. So M seal is little sticky, so you always have to apply any talcum powder at the base area. And now we have just made a roti. So we are going to make our earring in a circle shape. So with the help of this fevistick cap, I'm just going to cut the two circles, and also we have to make another two circles at the bottom area. So this is like a nail pen bottle cap which I'm using it right over here. So remove it, and the remaining M seal part you can make it something else with this remaining M seal. So this M seal is for 20 rupees and it is so cheap, right? You can make your set of earrings. And now with the help of your hand, you just have to shape it like this so the edges are not rough. So I'll do the same thing, just tap it a little bit. Now we'll just give the shape to our four parts, and this is very easy. You all can do this, trust me. And the four parts are almost ready. So the smaller circle is going to be upwards and the bigger one is going to be downwards. So now with the help of a dotted tool, we have to make a hole. We have to insert jump rings to attach both of the pieces. So if you don't have a dotted tool, it's totally fine. You can also take a toothpick for the same thing. Now for the first circle, we have to make two holes because we also have to add one jump ring to attach the second circle, and we also have to add the ear wires to put it inside our ears. So with the help of a dotting tool, I'm just going to give the circle textures. Keep it for 30 minutes, and now after 30 minutes our M seal has become so hard like a stone. So now with the help of the black acrylic color, I'm going to paint the whole base area. You can also use any different color if you want to. And please don't forget to press that subscribe button if you're learning something from this video. And I'm dedicated to create daily videos about fashion, DIYs. Let us all learn and grow together every day. And now our first part of the circle is almost ready. So for the second one, we are going to do the same process. We are just going to paint it with the help of an acrylic black paint. So you have to paint it very nicely. Please don't leave the circle texture part. So fill it very nicely with the help of a brush. And if you love to explore such jewelries at home, there'll be a link popping up. I have actually made so many different DIYs, earrings and phone covers. There'll be a link popping up in your screen right now. Click on that link and you'll get another amazing video. So now for the first circle, we have to just apply the transparent nail paint, and with the help of a golden foil, you just have to stick it because we are not going to use any glue to it. We are going to use a transparent nail paint to stick the foil. So in this manner, you have to also do the second circle. Please don't forget to fill the corners of the first circle because corners are also visible when you wear the earring. So we are going to follow the same process for this earring. And now our backside is remaining, so apply the foil to the backside area as well, and foil instantly changes the whole look of this earring. It will look so classy, trust me. If you don't have foil, it's totally fine. You can also use the golden acrylic colors. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to press that subscribe button. Now our two parts are almost ready. Apply the transparent nail paint again and just see if there are any remaining parts where foil is not there. So check it properly, and for the backside area we are going to do the same process. If you want to learn how to make jewelries with your old dupattas latkan, or if you're having a latkan at your place and you want to convert that latkan into a piece of jewelry, then there'll be a link popping up on your screen right now. Click on that link and you'll see how to make very cheap jewelries at home. I'm sure you're going to love that video. So now our foil is almost done. We just have to apply the second layer of our foil once again and apply the transparent nail paint. I'm using the nail paint because most of us we have transparent nail paint at our place, so that's why we are using the transparent nail paint. And apply the transparent nail paint over the foil as well, so that the foil will not come out and it will look glossy. Here this is almost ready. I'm really enjoying to explore this new piece of earring with you all. Second circle, we just have to apply the transparent nail paint and we have to add on small foils where the texture is there, so that it looks very classy and chunky at the same time. So that's what I'm doing it right over here. With the help of a dotting tool, you have to put the foil inside the circle, the texture area. And now our one piece of earring is almost ready. You see, it is looking so amazing. Please let me know in the comments below if you like this easy earring. Let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes, and after that we are going to apply the transparent nail paint so that the foil doesn't comes out and it will give a very glossy touch to the earring. So that's what we are going to do it right over here. To our other circle as well, we are just going to apply the transparent nail paint and to the golden foil as well. If you're learning how to do this easy jewelries at home, please press that subscribe button. And now we have the ear wire and jump ring. So there are two different options. What you can do is, now for the first one, we are just going to attach with the help of a jump ring. So we have to take this ring and put it inside the other circle and attach it like this. I'll give you a closer look, just a second. Yeah, so here we go. Open it and then put it inside the jump ring, and after that we just have to close it. Now I'm going to do the same thing for our second earring. So you can also take any pliers if you want to, and here's our first pair of earring ready. So there are two options. You can also use a chunky studs if you want, or if you want ear wires, you can also use ear wires, but I feel this is already a hanging earring, so the studs will actually look very nice. So it is right over your ear. It will really look very classy.
If you have enjoyed watching this video and it has been of any use, please hit the like button. New to this channel and haven't already, remember to press that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to get notified on my further videos, because this year I am dedicated to make daily videos to keep you inspired, and I'm sending you lots and lots of love and a virtual hug.